Rami here. Jesus gave us an assignment last week. We are to visualize what life in the kingdom will be like if human nature, and specifically fear, is not a major component. Entertainment was the topic last week, so this week let's continue our exploration. What else will look different than it has? If the entire focus will shift from me, myself, and I to service to others, then everything will change. Let's start with the economy. Will the only occupant of the kingdom, namely Christ, have a need for what has been known as money and private ownership of housing and business? Christ will be in different forms, but the forms will all finally realize that there is only one of us here. So all giving of goods and services benefits all of Christ. Ownership and status will not be part of Christ's mindset. One aspect of Christ may choose to drive what used to be thought of as a luxury car, and one may walk and ride a bicycle. One will not be thought of as better than the other. That type of comparison will not be there. Owning things will not be a goal because the very idea of ownership will be a thing of the past. Everything will be seen as something that is borrowed from Gaia and will be used until it returns to her. Gaia serves Christ, and Christ serves Gaia. This relationship will finally be a healthy one among equals. Just because plants, animals, and minerals don't talk the way humans do, doesn't mean that they are less than and to be taken advantage of. Use the art of thought about this topic this week, Christ offices. Discuss it in your Zoom meetings. This is a major revelation and needs to be broken down and digested. We will continue to build the kingdom through visualization next week. With love, Rami.